Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Binance phone number. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. This is where you manage all your account protection features. Look for the section related to phone verification or two-factor authentication. You'll need to start the process to update your current mobile number there. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your account secure. To proceed, Binance requires you to complete a security verification using your existing phone number or other methods. This ensures only you can make changes. Once verified, you'll be prompted to enter your new mobile number. A verification code will then be sent to this new number. Enter that code promptly to confirm ownership and link it to your account. Sometimes, you might encounter issues receiving verification codes. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and good mobile signal. Also, check your phone's spam or junk folders, as messages can sometimes be misdirected. If problems persist, it's best to reach out to Binance customer support. They can provide personalized assistance and guide you through any complex situations. After successfully changing your phone number, remember to maintain strong security practices. Always keep two-factor authentication enabled for an extra layer of protection. Use a unique and complex password that isn't used anywhere else. Regularly review your Binance security settings to ensure everything is up to date and secure. Your account safety is paramount for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.